Hi, how you going? Diane from Rest Assured North Queensland with day 5, the last day for this week, on 10 things that no one ever told you about Wi-Fi. And today we're looking about, well, how does Wi-Fi or wireless devices impact the human body? So this is my interpretation in a nutshell from all the research that I've done, and I'm not by any means covering everything, but this is just a little picture of some of the ways that it impacts our body. So the first thing I want to talk about is melatonin, and we all know how important melatonin is to our body, because melatonin helps to prevent cancer, it boosts our immune system, it regulates our circadian rhythm or our sleep pattern, and we all know how important that the sleep is to our bodies, and it also helps to combat inflammation. Another way it can impact our body is it can damage our DNA. And our DNA is something that we really want to protect, because our DNA is passed down from generation to generation. And once that's been messed around with and damaged, well, whatever we pass down, we pass down. So how does it impact our DNA? Well, it leads to genotoxicity, which means it damages the genetic information within the cell. And it also leads to gene mutation, where it actually alters the permanently alters the DNA sequencing of the cell, which leads to possible genetic disorders. Another way it impacts the body is that cells in our body have what we call the voltage gated calcium channels. I'm just going to call it a gate. So when the cell is working and is healthy, when it's a healthy cell, the gate will open and it will let a certain amount of calcium in, and when it's had enough, the gate will shut. Now what happens is the gate just doesn't work anymore. It actually stays open. The calcium actually floods the cell and it becomes toxic. And we all know that toxic cells aren't good for the body. They produce what we call free radicals, and these are very hazardous to our cells. And the last one I'll cover today is the blood-brain barrier. So the brain has a barrier around it to protect it, to protect our nervous system as well. It protects the toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, it just protects our brain from all these things leaching into the brain. And what happens is the radio frequency radiation from our wireless devices and Wi-Fi actually makes the blood-brain barrier more permeable, which means that these things, the blood-brain barrier that's there also to maintain the integrity of the environment for the brain, is weakened, and all these toxics come into the brain. So there's some of the ways that Wi-Fi can impact the body. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please share that with your friends and your family if you liked it. If you would like to have a chat with me about anything we've spoken about this week, I will put a link in below this post. Please feel free, if you have any concerns, to give me a call, because I love to chat about this stuff. It's my jam, as they call it. So have a great weekend. I hope you've enjoyed the series so far. I look forward to catching up with you on Monday, where we're going to be having a look at a lot of other new interesting stuff for you, things like what to avoid, and what you really have to look out for within your home as well. So have a great weekend. Look forward to seeing you next week. This is Diane from Rest Assured North Queensland saying see ya.